Okay, now in this step we need to add a background that's going to be our beginning part of our game. So I want to go to Add and go to Background and do Edit. And we're going to do New and set the height. Let's do like 480 by 512. And if you don't think that's quite big enough, you can go to Resize and let's make this like 600. I'm sorry, 512. And make the width about 600. Let's do a little bit big. Oh. Okay, and let's change our color to something that you like. I'm going to use kind of a light yellow. Then I'm going to go to text and set my font. I'm going to do Arial bold, probably about 14 is okay. And the text, I'm going to have it center align. Come up here and click. Oh, need this to be black color, sorry. So I'm going to call it May Magic. Okay. Kind of click off of it and click back on and click down here. Press any key to begin. Use the keys to play. And you might click off of it and click back on it. Object is to collect the diamonds and open the door to reach the goal. Something to that effect. And we'll call this beginning. And then we're going to add another room. I'm going to bring that up to the front. We can rename this, say begin. Said it will look something like that, so we're in good shape. Right, next, we're going to add another sprite. Another object. We're going to call this controller start. It's not going to be visible. And then go back to our beginning room and add this anywhere in the room. It doesn't really matter. And in our control start, the first thing we want to do is to have a create event. And then we're going to set the window caption information to don't show. And we're going to set the score to 0. And then we're going to add an any key event. And we're going to have it go to the next room. Now remember, here we go. We're at the beginning room. And therefore that way it'll send us where we need to go. Let's see how this looks. door's working. So it seems to be working. We go through, we pick up our diamonds. The door opens. And we go to the next room, which doesn't exist yet. Now, if you want to go in and work on your background a little bit, that's okay, but we're just trying to make something, it's not very creative, but at least it gets us started with the beginning part of our game. That's it for this step.